Good afternoon, LC people. Well, as you know, Dave's been very busy over the weekend. Me and Rog went to collect an engine Saturday off Dave Watton for the MT. Very happy with that purchase, guys. It was very, very good engine inside. Never been to bits. We was overjoyed. So, what else has Dave been doing? A chap I was asking about one of these for the N1 a few weeks ago, and a guy pitched up. He says, Dave, I've got one. It's broke. That's right, eh? Anyway, he dropped it off at my mate Tim Elms, and Tim Elms has brought it up from way down in the deepest of Suffolk yesterday. Phil's welded it up this morning. It's going to go for blasting and powder coating in the next half hour. What else? This bike came in, this 250 LC last week, and the guy said, I want you to go through it, Dave, go round it, finish off what he hadn't done. So, okay, I've been on this today, fettling and doing bits and pieces. Now, it came with these pipes on them, and these, my mate Steve says, they're off N1. You might know, you might not know, my pipes on my bike are 31W, not 31K, and I'm told they're restricted. I've not took them off yet, and apparently there's a restrictor in the header pipes on them. Anyway, these are 31K, and Steve, because they're N1 pipes, Dave, on this 250, it's right, eh? Anyway, another good friend, Guy Hillman, had these pipes for sale. He had them on the bay. Anyway, I come to a deal with him, and said, right, mate, I need them pipes for this 250. So these have had a bit of a tickle and had a paint, but I haven't done the down pipes. The down pipes are just amazing. Very, very nice set of pipes they are. So anyway, the guys had these, and I've had them, and we've had a bit of a deal. So Dave's happy, he gets some unrestricted pipes on his M1. I've got to pull the clutch cover off it tomorrow because the cable is very, very, very stiff, and it just doesn't seem to be pushing the rod that actuates the clutch. It requires further investigation. I've done bits and bobs at it. It had pod filters on it, so I put the original airbox on it. I've ordered a cover for the radiator and a new battery for it. They've arrived at home now, so I'll be doing that tomorrow, and hopefully finishing it off and getting it running. He's got foot pegs at home, he says, for the back, so I'm not worried about that. So I've serviced the back brake, and I've just gone through various bits, repaired the fuse box, put things on it. These have gone on it. He's got all his twin horn bits to go on it. Re-put the switch gear, headlamp bucket, ignition switch, blah, 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 blah. And I'll keep you posted about the progress on this tomorrow. I'd like to have it done tomorrow because I'm working with my good friend Steve on Friday, and we're going to get his blingy bike with them cheetah barrels back on the bench, and hopefully, now he's got all the bits, we might get somewhere with it. But yeah, that's what Dave's been up to really. Today, weekend pottering as you do. This, that and the t'other. Out and about and playing with the MT. There'll be another instalment on that, but my mate Roger's going away on Saturday for 2 weeks, so when he comes back, we've ordered all new seals and whatever else for the motor because obviously we've stripped it for the MT project. But I'll let you know how it cracks on, but the crank were very good in it. We've ordered new rings because the gaps were a little big, but the bores themselves are fantastic. And that's it. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.